Hey guys, as you can see, I have an essential Pokemon essential handbook. Says need the need to know stats and facts on over 640
Ano ba
Pokemon.
dinownload mo?
Flashlight. And here are the other Pokemons. Guys can guess. And you can pause it. Because if you don't want to pause it and you don't know all the Pokemon's names, so just yeah. So here we're gonna look inside. Says it again, and the Pokemon's that was in the front. Right here, some stuff, stats, and stuff. Go! So, I know it has 366 pages.
Ano?
And in
Dito
US,
kami sa,
it's $10.
Cable company. Nasaan kayo? Dito sa may Alamuan na banda.
It's not a cable company. It's
Nagpunta
sports
kami ng Haunted.
author.
Eh, saan ka na ngayon?
Japanese.
Nasaan ka na ngayon?
Japanese. So,
Magpapaalam ka.
back.
Ha? Mga alas 4, ikaw ba? Oo, pupunta. Mamayang hapon, pagkatapos ng trabaho niya. Ay, pupunta sa bahay mo? Si Tax, pupunta din, si Lani. Oo, ay paano ako pupunta sa Tax sa'yo? Nasa Kapuli sila, pasundo daw siya sa akin. Sabi ko mamaya alas 5. Hindi ka nasa Kapuli? Si Tax. Pupunta din sa bahay mo? Oo.